Hi, I'm Rich from Alpine Auto Care of Greater Grand Rapids. Okay, well actually I'm Rich's animated self, but you get the idea. I wanted to tell you about Alpine Auto Care. We can give you complete auto maintenance. So what does that mean, I hear you say? Well, we can offer auto repair, brake repair and auto care. And there's two things you really need to remember. We've got reasonable prices and, of course, our famous peace of mind warranty. Let's face it, these days, far too many shops are willing to take advantage of you, overprice you, and not get the job done. Well, you can count on us. We will take care of you, and it won't break the bank either. Need tyres? Right here. Need a brake job? We've got you. Need engine work? We've got you covered. Need a tune-up? Right here. Yep. We're here for you no matter what your auto needs are. Call us for your car needs. We'll get the job done for you. So what are you waiting for? Call us today for an appointment.